A far more accurate way to achieve print to screen match is to use the manual adjustment feature of ColorNavigator 7. This allows us to adjust the monitor to match our print viewing conditions and obtain a better correlation between screen and print. The first thing we do is create a white document inside of Photoshop. And we want to make sure that we fill the entire screen with this document, getting rid of any tools and distractions that are on the screen as well. So it's nice and clean, and we'll launch ColorNavigator 7. Inside ColorNavigator, we'll bring up our print target that we created earlier with that 200:1 contrast ratio and 5800 Kelvin white point. We're then going to take a sheet of our favorite printing paper, and we're going to put that in our viewing conditions in our light booth here, our 5000 Kelvin light booth, and we're going to compare that to our screen. And we can see that the white of the screen appears a lot bluer than the white of the paper. So what we need to do now is go back into ColorNavigator 7, and we can manually adjust to get a better visual correlation between paper and screen. Click on Advanced Functions, Manual Adjustment to bring up our Manual Adjustment menu, and inside of here we can adjust our white point and brightness. And we'll adjust the brightness and white point until we get a better visual correlation between our screen and our paper. Once we have achieved a good match between screen and paper, we hit Next. We choose our measurement device. In this case, once again, it's our built-in sensor. We'll hit Next again. We'll click on to proceed, and the monitor now will calibrate based upon the new inputs for our white point and our brightness. Once calibration is complete, this is the result from the new manual adjustment. So our brightness now has come down to 89.8 candela per meter square. Our black level is down to 0.041. And of course our contrast ratio remained at 218:1. And our white point is 5279 Kelvin. I can now rename this target name. I'm going to leave the 90 candela and 0.5 candela as my black point. But right next to that, I'm going to put in the name of the paper that I've actually just matched, which is the Aquarel rag. I'm going to click on Finish. And now in my print mode, the Aquarel rag will appear as one of my targets that I can quickly switch to when I'm printing on that particular paper. And if we don't have a viewing booth to do this, as long as we have D50 lighting set up in our environment at the correct brightness, we can hold a sheet of paper up against the white of our monitor and perform exactly the same procedure to achieve a better match between screen and print. As mentioned earlier, the monitor is your only true window into your image file. EIZO and ColorNavigator 7 software allows you to easily achieve and maintain consistent, accurate results from capture right through to final print. I'm Rocco Ancora, and thanks for watching.